Hello, audiophiles. Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the rich world of music with the 3 best turntables of 2024. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of analog sound, we've got something special for you. Check the links in the description and the first comment to bring home one of these fantastic turntables. Let's spin into the details. Starting off our list at number 3 is the Angel's Horn Vinyl Record Player. Let's explore the features that make it a standout in the world of turntables. An exceptional high-fidelity sound experience with a focus on engineering for superior sound quality. A high-quality turntable experience featuring a high-end at-brand phono cartridge for realism and instrumental authenticity. Integration with your living space thanks to its natural wood appearance that complements your bookshelf or furniture. Quieter belt-driven operation, built-in Bluetooth 4.2 input for playing music from other devices, and a stable iron platter to reduce vibrations. More features include a built-in phono preamp, RCA line output, adjustable counterweight force, and 2 speeds, 33 and 1/3 and 45 RPM. For an in-depth look into the Angel's Horn vinyl record player, check out the links in the description for exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews. Securing the second spot is the Victrola Nostalgic 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player. Let's uncover the features that make it a nostalgic yet modern choice. A 6-in-1 entertainment center that combines vintage looks with modern features, allowing you to enjoy vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, AM/FM radio, or stream music via Bluetooth. No stereo system or extra equipment required for quick and easy setup, making it ideal for beginners and vintage enthusiasts alike. A 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33 and 1/3, 45, 78 revolutions per minute, with upgraded premium sound quality and minimal vibrations. Expanded connection options, including RCA line outputs for connecting external speakers or an amplifier and a headphone jack for personal listening. All the controls you need, conveniently located for easy access. Get an exclusive look into the Victrola Nostalgic 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. And now, claiming the top spot is the vinyl record player turntable with built-in Bluetooth receiver. Let's explore the features that make it the #1 choice for audiophiles. An all-in-one record player with Bluetooth input, AUX audio input, RCA line out, and a headphone jack for versatile listening options. 2 built-in stereo speakers with Bluetooth wireless technology for seamless music streaming from your smartphone. A retro design with a removable cover to protect vinyl and turntable plat, creating a warm atmosphere in your home. Easy setup and operation, making it ideal for vinyl lovers with 3-speed turntable, 33, 45, 78 RPM, compatibility. Portable and stylish, serving as both a music player and premium home decoration. Dive into the world of the vinyl record player turntable with built-in Bluetooth receiver. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews await you in the description. There you have it, our top 3 picks for the best turntables of 2024. Choose the one that resonates with your style and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description and the first comment to make your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow music enthusiasts, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more tech insights. Until next time, keep the music spinning and explore the world of gadgets.